Guys, welcome to my vlog. So today, nagpa-practice po kami for assessment sa Sabado. Natin. Alam, sabag yun natin. This is surgical bed.
This is occupied.
Occupied bed. CPR. Infant, adult. And bottle cleaning, milk making, baby bathing. Andito na po si Ma'am Judy. Dito na po si Ma'am Judy. Kakarating niya lang po. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Late na late ka na ha?
I'm sure, ma'am.
Yung assessor natin.
Oh, no.